Good morning, house. What's up? How are you doing? There's something I have been asking myself for the past week or so. Why is it so fucking surprising that I am an adult entertainer and I am from Rwanda or East Africa? Like, I see so many people on my social media commenting and going crazy, especially Rwandese. What's wrong with you, yo? You don't watch porn? Is it your first time seeing an asshole or vagina? Is it your first time watching porn? Because you're locals. So much locals. Right? So please, guys, you have not seen anything yet. I'm just getting started. You are going to be seeing my ass, my vagina, my boobs for a long time. So sit down, get back, and watch me rock, motherfuckers.